Hello viewers, my Facebook account post not appearing in my timeline. Showing this error, page not found. There may be a technical problem. Refresh to try again. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on Facebook apps. Now click on app info or I button. Scroll down and go to storage. Now click on clear cache. Go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Go back to home screen. Now go to Play Store. Click on search bar and search Facebook. From here, update Facebook apps if available any update version. Now wait for completing the update process. After completing the update process, now restart your phone. After following all steps, now open Facebook and go to your profile and see problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.